Hi, before we get started, I've got a bonus video for you if you watch this video till the end. Hey, welcome back to Mary's Lifestyle Kitchen. I'm excited to be back again with another yummy recipe. Today we are going to be making mango chutney. Mango chutney is sweet and savory toppings that you can use on your chicken. You can use it on your rice and even toast bread. So before we get into the kitchen, let me take you through the ingredients. We have onions, apples, large mango, we have sugar, we have lemon, we have black pepper, nutmeg, then we've got some salt, and we have vinegar. These are the few ingredients we are going to be using today to make our mango chutney. So I have diced my dates and my onions is also diced. So I'm going to peel the apple now and chop them nicely. I'm going to be using only one apple. So I'm peeling off the mango as well, and I will chop it nicely and dice it. I forgot to mention you can use white onions. White onions is really good because you won't see the color. Now all the ingredients has been diced and chopped and is ready for us to start preparing. So in a clean pot, just pour everything into the pot. So now add the apple and add the onions and the dirt, then turn everything to combine. Then you're going to add a cup of vinegar to the mixture and give it a mix to combine, and then cover the pot and allow it to simmer for like a while. Then you add the sugar, curry, nutmeg and all other ingredients and mix it until you have this consistency like jam. Then your mango chutney is ready. Then you can have it with your bread, you can have it with your rice and even chicken. You can pretty much have it with anything. It's really yum. Remember, before we first started, I promised you I'm going to give you a bonus video today, and the bonus video is how to sterilize your jar bottles. As you can see, I have filled the pot with water and I have dropped in the bottles inside both with the cover. So there's another way you can also sterilize your jar bottles by using the oven. I haven't done that yet, but I'm going to try and make a video on it and show it to you. So the bottle is now ready. So I'm going to bring them out, and I'm going to be using this bottle to store the mango chutney that I just prepared. When you're bringing it out, you have to be extremely very careful because it's really boiling hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Now I'm sure you know how to sterilize your jar bottles. If this tutorial was useful to you, please kindly give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe and share, and let me know how it went for you with the cooking of the mango chutney and the sterilizing of the bottles. Thank you for watching. See you some other time. Bye.